Hello, Katie here from Katie's World. Welcome to my channel. Thanks for tuning in today. In this video, I'm going to be doing a paper piecing from an upcoming page kit, my Simply Fabulous page kit, number 130, featuring Minnie Mouse. And this page kit was actually inspired from some photographs that I have of my baby girl, which you'll see once we get the whole page kit done. I'll show you that. So this is just a little journal spot that I created. So put it together real simple. I'm using the Art Glitter Designer Dry as Clear liquid glue with a fine metal tip. And I'm just going to start by adding the white journal spot. And when you add this piece, you want to make sure that the line closest to the edge is the one at the bottom, and try to keep it as straight as you can. Hopefully I've got it straight. Any excess glue I like to go in and just use the pin from my glue and pull that up. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to actually put the bow together next, and then I'll attach it. And there's two sides, the small dots and the large dots. So you're going to need to put the glue on the small dots because it's the large dots that we want showing.
Trying to close them.
Okay, so I'm going to do the two outer ones and then the center piece. Okay, and now I'm going to go ahead and put this piece in the middle. Nice thing about using the liquid glue is you can kind of move it around before it dries. It does dry quickly. Now it's already dry, so but it's nice you have that little space of time to wiggle. There's a close-up of that. Now this is going to go right on top. You're just going to line this up with the base piece. It's going to overlap the journal spot slightly. Now in this case, you can either glue it on flat with a glue, or you can even do a pop-up. I think I'm going to pop it up. I think that'll be really cute. I'll probably go ahead and glue the journal spot down flat, so when I'm ready to write, it's on a flat surface, but I'll pop up the bow because I think that would be nice dimension on the page. And I have the link below to my shop if you'd like to check it out. Once the page kit is available, the direct link to order the page kit will be below. Okay, so I've got that. Now I'm just going to line this up. All right, yeah, that is so cute. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If so, please click the like button. That's the thumbs up below. If you'd like to see more videos from me, please click the subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss any of the magic here at Katie's World. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram for updates on upcoming projects. Thanks so much and have a great day.